If your store runs on Adobe Commerce, you've already invested in one of the most powerful e-commerce platforms out there. It's flexible, it's customizable, and it lets you create exactly the experience your brand and your customers need. If you're serious about retention and loyalty, launching your own mobile app has to be a priority. A mobile app is the ultimate retention engine for your Adobe Commerce store. It gives you a dedicated space on your customer's phone, a smoother, faster experience that's always within reach. App users shop 3 to 5 times more often than web users, spend more per session, and have higher average order values. And with push notifications, you get a free direct line to their lock screen. No ad costs, no algorithms, and no inboxes. It's the best way to drive repeat purchases and build lasting loyalty while strengthening your brand presence. Here's the catch. Adobe Commerce sites are complex. You've got custom modules, advanced integrations, layered navigation, and dynamic product logic. Building a mobile app that replaces all that is difficult, expensive, and time-consuming. A typical native build can cost well into 6 figures and take up to a year to complete. Meanwhile, most no-code app builders can't handle your site's depth. They rely on limited API connections, meaning half your site's functionality, your custom checkout flow, extensions, analytics won't carry over. So the result, you end up with a watered-down version of your store that doesn't reflect your brand or deliver the same experience. That's where MobiLoud comes in. MobiLoud is built for complex platforms like Adobe Commerce. Instead of rebuilding your app from scratch, we take your existing website and convert it directly into a fully native iOS and Android app. Everything that works on your site, your design, features, integrations, and custom logic work automatically in your app. And it all stays synced in real time. You keep managing everything through your Adobe Commerce backend, just like you do today. Your app updates automatically whenever your site does, and our team handles all the heavy lifting, like building, testing, publishing, and maintenance. No new code bases, no added complexity, and no missed features. With MobiLoud, you can launch a premium, fully branded app that matches your Adobe Commerce experience perfectly without the price tag or the hassle of a custom build. You'll unlock push notifications, higher conversions, and deeper customer loyalty with minimal effort and zero maintenance headaches. If your store runs on Adobe Commerce, MobiLoud is the fastest, easiest, and most reliable way to launch your mobile app. Go to MobiLoud.com to get a free app preview and see how we can turn your Adobe Commerce site into a powerful mobile-first retention channel.